Good morning. I'm Alessandro Pietropaolo, product manager for Borehole Electric Pumps in Caprari. Today, I present you our new Desert Energy series that involve 4 and 6 inch pumps. Caprari is proud to present this new product because it is the result of a long experience in this world. Caprari has 76 years of experience in pumps, and last year, 2020, in EIMA exhibition, Caprari, thanks to this new series, won the mention 2021 at the Technical Innovation Competition. The award has been given to solutions that offer original improvements to already existing or patented products. Well, we can start the presentation. This is the agenda of the presentation. We'll see 5 points in detail, a general overview of the series, performance and materials, patents and special features of the pumps, the certification, the documents and tools available for our customers. Caprari has developed the new series that involve 4 and 6 inch pumps, matching the best technical features of the previous Desert and Energy series. The new configuration of the pumps, combined with the choice of innovative solution and even more performing materials, guarantees great reliability and sturdiness. The performance are the best on the market for efficiency and at prestige. The number of models guarantee an excellent range of work, both in terms of flow rate and head. Thanks to Caprari design, solid content are allowed up to 450 grams of cubic meter. More than 250 models, 4 and 6 inches, 50 and 60 Hz. This is the Desert Energy series. Thanks to this wide range of models, we are able to satisfy any customer request, always with the top performance, because we are able to satisfy the customer's duty point at BEP, the best efficiency point of the pump. We also always talk with our customers about a rationalization of the range. Why this? Because this is a real rationalization of the models. In the past, we had 2 dedicated series of pumps. The Desert line for heavy-duty application with ice and content and high pressures. And the Energy line with high efficiency features. Combining these 2 series in one, we have obtained the new Desert Energy series. The customer has the possibility to choose the best pump in terms of duty point and efficiency, while at the same time having the guarantee of Energy series performance. On our side, this rationalization allows to simplify the management of the components and spare parts and pre- and post-sales assistance. This involves a faster order processing and a mostly faster delivery time. These pumps are available on stock. Now we'll see which are the performance and the materials of the Desert Energy pumps. In terms of performance, these 4 and 6 inch pumps are the best on the market, both in terms of at prestige, but mostly in terms of efficiency and absorbed power. The high value of efficiency involves high energy and economic saving for the customer. 4-inch pumps are coupled to 4-inch single-phase and 3-phase electric motors with power up to 7.5 kilowatts. 6-inch pumps are coupled to 4 or 6-inch motors three-phase with powers up to 45 kilowatts. The operating range is very wide. We reach 12 liters per second and 650 meter of head, the highest values you can find on the international market. The materials. The materials of Desert Plus energy pumps are stainless steel for components like valve casing, shell and shaft, and reinforced technopolymers, Lexan and Noril for impellers and diffusers. Why this choice and not the classic full stainless steel version in welded stainless steel as other competitors do? Because this mix of materials is the best against the two most impacting phenomena on pumps, the abrasion and corrosion. Now let's see why. When we launched the new Desert Energy series in spring of 2020, we have also sent to our customers and distributors a detailed report of the benefits of our pumps, ensured by the mix of materials, stainless steel and reinforced technopolymers. Caprari has 75 years of experience in the design and construction of electric pumps. In all these years, thousands of tests have been carried out with various types of liquid in the presence of different types of sand, simulating even application and extreme operating conditions. The result obtained and the feedback from our customer have allowed Caprari to improve the pumps and motors and to obtain the configuration of the desert energy pumps. About the resistance to the sand abrasion, the maximum resistance to the sand is achieved with the use of very hard, for example, ceramic, or very soft material, for example, reinforced technopolymers and rubbers. In the first case, the material is harder than the sand. In the second case, the sand bounces on the material. All metal, including stainless steel, have an intermediate hardness compared to those described above. Therefore, they are not very resistant to the abrasion. The sand abrasion, which all materials, I underline all materials, suffer over time, can be compensated by increasing the thickness of the components. This is absolutely not possible when you use welded stainless steel, regardless of their type, 304, 316, or 904L. Another critical topic with the use of welded stainless steel involves the welding points. In fact, they represent the weakest structural point when affected by abrasion. Welding points also create localized turbulence in the pumped liquid, reducing the hydraulic efficiency of the pump. The use of reinforced technopolymers free of welding points ensures greater robustness and reliability, thereby extending the life of the pump and providing the highest efficiency. About the resistance to the salty water corrosion, thermoplastic materials are completely inert to salty water, so they are better than any type of stainless steel, even duplex or super duplex. In addition, as for abrasion, the welding points of welded stainless steel are the most critical structural areas. They are thermally altered when welded, causing modification of the internal structure of the metal, reducing the strength and corrosion resistance of the material. Caprari has carried out many tests on different types of pumps through accelerated corrosion tests using liquids with high concentration of salt and with the presence of pressed currents and stray currents. Thanks to these studies, Caprari has improved the resistance of its submersible electric pumps and motors. Caprari has also introduced the Defender. It's an international patent device that allows the fast passivation of stainless steel structural parts, making them immediately resistant to the corrosion. Thanks to this device, uh, stainless steel 304 um, can have an equivalent or longer life than stainless steel 316 without the Defender. We'll see now the patents and the main features of the desert energy pumps. Let's go back to the Defender. It's a Caprari international patent, but what is the Defender? It's a device made of cast iron, a very poor cast iron. It's installed in the suction area of the pump, as you can see in the photo. The Defender speeds up the passivation of stainless steel components, and this protects the pump from corrosion. What is the passivation? Passivation is an intrinsic phenomenon of all stainless steel. When one of these is put in a liquid, the oxygen inside it has a reaction with the chrome ions of the stainless steel, creating a film, a layer of chromium hydroxides. This film is highly resistant to the corrosion. Imagine it's a kind of protective self-painting of the pump. The defenders accelerates the passivation process because the liquid attack it first instead of stainless steel. Let's go on other two Caprari international patents of the Desert Energy series. The first is the send-out system. It is an exclusive system composed by impeller and wearing, which ensures durability and reliability even in the presence of high quantity of sand, up to 450 grams per cubic meter. I underline that these are the highest values that you can find in the market. This certifies the quality and the reliability of our product. The second patent is the Smart Fix system. It's a particular design allow to block the valve casing to the body of the pump, and it guarantees sturdiness and reliability and allows our pumps to reach pressure up to 700 meters. So very high values, the highest in the market. Now we'll see what are the other points of strength of the series. Even if they are not patented, they represent a strategic point in the design of pumps. The first, the valve casing, is made of precision casted IZ304 stainless steel. I underline that is precision casted stainless steel, not welded steel. This means greater strength and durability over time. The valve casing also has a long neck to get easier maintenance, and moreover, the valve casing is designed to reduce pressure losses, and this is not necessary to introduce any additional valves. This involves economic saving for the customer. The cable guard is the device that cover and protect the cables of the electric motor. The cable guard is called no block because the design with the folded ends prevents it from detaching inside the well during the installation and extraction of the pump. Other point of strength of the Desert Energy series are the reinforced coupling and the impellers and diffuser in technopolymer. The design of the pump and motor coupling system allows the transmission of power over a large hexagonal surface of the shaft. This is a guarantee of strength and reliability. Moreover, the fixing of the pump shaft coupling is realized with the two systems. The first is by interference. The pump shaft is inserted inside the coupling under pressure with a machine, a dedicated machine. The second is with a transversal spine inserted under pressure with another particularly machine. So a double fixing system that gives a further guarantee of robustness and reliability to our pumps. About the impeller and diffuser, in reinforced technopolymers, I go back to what I said before. These materials are the best against abrasion and corrosion. The last 3 points of strength of our pumps, but not less important, are these. The first, the bearing bash and shaft protection. They are protected from the contact with the liquid, preventing the abrasion and extending the life of the pump. During working, the liquid is diverted and does not pass through this area. Moreover, the bearing bash is made of very hard and abrasion resistant ceramic material. 6-inch models have an extra point of strength. The suction casing is realized in a microcasted stainless steel IZ304 with an exclusive design. It's very important because it protects the coupling area from the contact with the liquid. The coupling is located inside this component. You can imagine that coupling is one of the most delicate points of electric pump. So you understand how important is this additional protection. It could be a more expensive solution compared to our competitors, but it is a warranty of extra reliability and longer life of the pump. Let's see now another important feature of this series and in general of all Caprari products, the certifications. The pumps of the Desert Energy series can be supplied with the non-preferential Made in Italy certification and the preferential air certification. This aspect is very important because this certification allows to sail these pumps in areas where without made in or air certification they cannot be sold. In addition, the Desert Energy series pumps are in compliance with the European Directive ERP, which introduced the minimum efficiency index called MEI. The target of this directive is to improve the environmental performance of energy-related products and eliminate the less performing products from the market. Just to be clear about the MEI index, it is an index that measures the quality of the pump with respect to its efficiency. That is an index without a dimension that tells us how many pumps on the market have an efficiency lower than ours. About the drinking water, there are many certifications available, for example, for the Italian market and French market, the most requested on the international sales. Witnessed tests that can be done in our testing room in Modena. This aspect is highly appreciated by the customers because it gives Caprari an image of transparency and safety in showing the performance of its pump without any hesitation. Uh, what is written in the documents is what the customer really find on the field when the pump is installed. We have arrived at the last point of the presentation, which concerns documents and tools available for the customers. Yes, because for Caprari it's important to have a quality product, but it's also very important to provide documents and support for selection, installation, assembly, and use and maintenance of the pumps. For these reasons, for all our products, Caprari provides this document. You can find the Pump Tutor ENG. It is a tool for the pump selection. It's a web tool where you can find all prices and variants of all our products. It's continuously updated by our technical department, so you can find all information about materials, performance, and option available on our products. Our customer can find also the price list, catalogs, data plan, leaflet, use and maintenance manual, technical specification, and dedicated video. So many documents and tools to give to the customer the better support as possible. Last but not less important point concerns the after sales and spare parts. Caprari has a web tool called Spares Tutor that allows the service center or the customer to select and order the spare parts directly online on the web. In a world where everything is now on the web, this tool becomes very important to guarantee an after-sales service as faster as possible. Well, I'm at the end of the presentation of the Desert Energy series. We have touched together all the key points and I hope I have passed to you what is priority for Caprari. That is to provide an Italian product of high quality with a high value of technology that is robust and reliable over time and can give you the best performance on the market. Thank you.